So basically what you're seeing here is the progression of how we started with the neon, decided that we were going to go ahead and pull the rear out of the neon and switch the ladder bar setup that we had in the neon that we were starting to get dialed in and figure out how it worked, and went ahead and decided to go ahead and put it into the S10. As you can see, the worst part about deciding to start to put it into the S10 is the fact that we were just about ready to go ahead and mount a leaf spring setup in it. So what you see here now is us taking and cutting out everything that had to do with our already back half, just about ready to have a diff put in it, leaf spring Caltrac style setup where we narrowed the rear, narrowed the back half of the truck to start over from scratch. But as you guys know, I'm real good at changing my mind and making bad decisions. So we went ahead and did it. And as you can see, we had to cut absolutely everything all the way back out of the back half of the truck. And then move on to beginning to prep the full ladder bar back half that we cut out of the neon to go into the truck, and pull our measurements and everything revolving around being able to put the ladder bar back half section into the truck like it was meant to be there, and we didn't just cut it out of a perfectly good race car and make it so that we have two cars now that are unusable. But not only are we taking and doing away with the leaf springs at this point, we're also converting it from a long bed down to a short bed. And as you can see, we went ahead and managed to do it. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and tag along as we tackle this project. And if the screen happens to freeze up and give you that little arrow thing, I can't get the video quite right myself yet. Click it a couple of times. Now I'm fucking with you. But thanks for the free like.